You don't need a large payment to buy a house. In fact, you only need 3%, 3.5%, or 5% depending on what you qualify for. So basically what you do is you take that percentage, so if it's 3% times it by your purchase price, that's your down payment. Don't forget to look for grants and down payment assistance options. Those are ways that can help you come up with your down payment along with gifts, 401ks, different things like that. Myth number 2, FHA is for first-time home buyers. I get that one a lot. FHA actually stands for the Federal Housing Administration. Here's an example. I have a couple right now. They own their house and they want to buy a new one. Unfortunately, they went through some really hard times. Credit is a little bit down, so we're actually using an FHA loan to buy the next home. So FHA is not just for first-time home buyers, it's for anytime buyers. Myth number 3, renting is always cheaper than owning a home. There might be some validity on the surface for that. Sure, on the monthly, your rent payment might be less than what a mortgage payment would be. You do have a roof over your head, that's great. But when you own a house, you're building equity in a property. It's an asset. It is the number one way Americans accumulate wealth in our country. The next thing, pretty simple, tax benefits. There's a lot more tax benefits that people don't realize or understand than in comparison to renting. There are a lot more benefits, but lastly, stability of your payments and where you're going to live. Feel free to drop a comment with any questions.